Hi and welcome to another Carpenter Tutoring tutorial. I'm Amy and my job is to make your work smarter, not harder, so that you can get through your work more quickly and with less stress. Today we are going to be talking about the FOIL method and how it can be useful in checking your work when you are factoring quadratic equations. You may have heard the FOIL method mentioned in class and wondered what the heck is that? Well, the FOIL method is a way of going from the factored form of an equation back to the standard form, so long as that equation only has two factors. We can still turn the factored form of a larger equation back into the standard form, but a FOIL is specifically for situations where we have two factors. Let's take a look at how it works. As a demonstration, we're going to use the factored form of an equation, x plus 2 times 3x minus 5. And of course, this would be set equal to 0. The FOIL method is a reminder of all of the different multiplication combinations we have to do to turn this factored form back into the standard form. The F stands for the firsts. That means the first term of each factor. In this case, our firsts are x and 3x, which will give us 3x squared. The O in FOIL stands for the outers. This is the very first term in all of your factors times the very last term in all of your factors. In our situation, this is x times negative 5. Make sure that you bring any subtraction signs along with you as negative signs, and that will give us a product of negative 5x. The I in FOIL stands for inners. These are the two innermost or middle terms of your factors. In our case, this is 2 times 3x, which will give us 6x. And then last but not least, L stands for lasts, or the final term of each factor. In our situation, this is 2 times negative 5, or negative 10. Something interesting to note with the FOIL method is that the only part of this responsible for creating the largest part of your original equation, the leading term, is the firsts. So firsts alone creates the leading term. Additionally, the lasts are the only terms that are constants, so they together are responsible for creating the constant in your original equation. That means that the inners and the outers work together to create the middle term. Taking everything that we found together, we can recreate an equation, adding together all of these different products. So we have 3x squared minus 5x plus 6x minus 10. And again, of course, this is all still equal to 0. From here, I can combine any like terms. These are going to be the outers and the inners because we said they together create the middle term. This will turn into an x. So my final equation is 3x squared plus x minus 10 equals 0. We have successfully gone from a factored form of an equation back to the standard form thanks to the FOIL method. Thanks for spending part of your day with me. I hope this video was helpful. Let me know in the comments if there are any other equations or topics that you'd like to see covered. And otherwise, I'll catch you next time.